Let's go straight on to our newsmaker of the day, and that's Priya Prakash Varrier, the overnight internet sensation. Priya, thank you so much for joining us tonight and speaking to us. Tell me, you've been called the Wink sensation or viral Priya. This whole outpouring of love, did you expect this?
No, not at all. I never thought that this would become such a big hit or such a big sensation. Everybody told me that it was good, but then I never expected it to become this big.
But not just the Wink, the entire nation seems to have a crush on you. I mean, a lot of people are calling you a national crush. How are you taking it?
Right now I'm very happy and excited. Being the national crush is very exciting and very new to me. So many people falling in love and all that. It's very new and I'm very happy.
Was the Wink planned or was it spontaneous?
Actually, the director wanted to capture something cute between me and my hero. So he asked me if I can do the eyebrow thing and also wink at him. So I told him that I could give it a try, and that's how it worked out. It was spontaneous. We hadn't planned or practiced anything.
But you really stole the show with your expressions. Also because a lot of people say that this song and the way you sort of acted in it reminds them of their love stories in school. Were you remembering something, a love story perhaps of your time?
No, nothing of that sort. As I'm studying in a women's college now, it was really nice to have a gang full of people of my own age. So because we had fun in the sets. So yeah, I remembered my mixed school education time at that moment.
And that helped. Also on social media, you've got 4.3 million views on YouTube, over 600,000 on Instagram, lakhs of Twitter followers overnight. How do you plan to keep up with all of this?
I don't know. I'm a little bit tensed about that because it's a big responsibility now because people have a lot of expectations from me. So when the movie releases, I hope to keep up with their expectations and do my level best.
I'm sure you're going to do really well. Best of luck for everything in your future.